Performing arts encompass various forms of creative expression presented live, including theater, dance, music, or opera.
Oh my goodness! Look at that great big ball of soft fur! I think that would be fun to play on!
Puppetry is a form of theater or performance that involves the manipulation of puppets, animated objects often resembling some types of human or animal figure that are animated or manipulated by a human called the puppeteer, such as the performance is also known as a puppet production. Puppet is an artificial figure whose movements are controlled by a person called the puppeteer. Puppet can be moved by hand or by string